There was a notice from a student loan trust fund to the effect said by June, they will start refunding the academic facility user fees of first years in public tertiaries under the low fee stress. Yeah, my time is up, baby. Yes, I know. So that's why I'm saying that if anyone has you can send a request as a to be a guest, and let's hear your comment on this. Okay? So you can send your request. Let's have a conversation. Now, there are certain few things that you should pay attention to. Unlike what was said by John Mahama during the campaign, said they will pay the school fees of the children. No? Now they have limited it to the academic facility user fees. And I am a former SRC president, 2019, University of Health and Allied Sciences, the only public university only dedicated to health courses in Ghana and even in West Africa. So I can tell you in authority that say Antipatia said that I thought they said they will pay the fees and not user fees. Yes. I can tell you, say Ufa university student school fees, let's say 4,000 Ghana cedis, 40 million O currency. Academic facility user fees will not even be up to 15 million out of the 4,000. I'm telling you this on authority because I've sat at management level, discussed, negotiated school fees on behalf of students. Academic facility user fees, no, it will not even reach 1/3 of the entire school fees. And if you tell students that you are ready and willing to pay their school fees, and later come and say that you are going to pay academic facility user fees, it means you have deceived them. Why you are move 419? 419. And people are going to be stranded. A lot of people are going to be stranded. Do you know why they are going to be stranded? Because personally, I know people who went to borrow money to pay their admission fee because they were hoping, say, John Mahama is going to refund the money to them. I know students like that. Right now, at our university, their parents went to take loans, use their small properties as collateral because they know, said John Mahama there, he's going to refund the money to us and we are going to use to pay back the loan. Now you have tricked them. Why you are April Fool in May? Auntie Patricia said he is their hope. Hope with the I ho. So how are they going to pay this debt now? How? Academic facility user fees, no. Hostel fees and can there be. Now be our university in Sunim say hostel fees is one of the highest component of the school fees. So what I thought had your mama promised that now he's keeping? Nothing. Basically nothing. Eric, I'm doing better. Basically nothing at all. Nothing. Now we are 4 months in bill. 4 months. No 24-hour economy. No fee stress. No nothing. 4 months bill. They are just cruising around in private jets. Using cars that look like Terminator. 4 months, people are now cruising in Range Rover. Some of them are now taking pictures with $81,000 worth of vehicles, of car. Obi a deputy CEO of Forestry Commission. Boss Rod says that if the kids were naive, their parents should have known better than to trust Malam Mahama. I agree with you. But in fact, it was those parents that even led the kids astray. That's where we are now. Today, as we are speaking, shortage of exercise book and all those things in our senior high schools. No one's talking about it. People are just buying cars anyhow. Galamsey is worse. It's like, yeah, Eric says someone is using phone costing $11,000 each. It's true. Yes. Government spokesperson. Or you see, Huawei, or Huawei, whatever the pronunciation is. Or is it two of those? Each of them $11,000. So $11,000, no, you can buy a Corolla 2023 version. Ebet me ato. Enti nipa ba ko no phone ba kwa wezi bia no ye one Corolla. Toyota Corolla. I think I even buy Toyota Matrix 2022 model. Someone will say, how do you know? I know because I want to buy a car, so I'm looking for the price so that I'll come and tell you people. Then we do contribution and go and buy the car. Hey, Sam. Oh, and then there will be Ankasa. Auntie Selena is laughing. I know the prices, but I went to ask for the prices. And then I said, Obi Ankasa. Obi Ankasa na mami pon yana. Obi Ankasa mami pon. So that is it. I'm working on a new plan, okay? And let me just bring it to your attention. I don't have the final budget yet, but hopefully I will be able to get a final budget by next week. I want to pay for a slot at one radio station in Volta once a week, 2 hours. Once a week, 2 hours. And when I go on the radio, I'll do the show with you people, especially people who are abroad. Okay? So what I'm going to do is that it's going to be like the way we do the TikTok here. But this time around, whilst you are making your submission, not only the people on TikTok will be hearing you, okay? Not only the people on TikTok will be hearing you, but Voltarians will also be hearing you. It's going to be an English program. 2 hours once a week. It's going to be an English program. Because I want us, Spike says, wow, fantastic idea, bro. Thank you. I want us to invade Volta region. Okay? I want us to. It is true Volta region is an NDC stronghold. But once they start hearing from you people, especially those of you who are abroad, once they start hearing that, no, what we are enjoying in Ghana it could be better continuously, I tell you, people start changing their minds. And I want us to do that. So I'm going to go to the radio station. I know one radio station which coverage is very much. Stone City. Okay? So I'm going to negotiate. I hope, say, the money they are going to take will not be much. So that we'll start that show once a week,